All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to send money from Nigeria to Ghana in 3 minutes with your favorite bank apps. I'm talking about OPay. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you one of the most difficult things a lot of people have been facing over the years is sending money from Nigeria to Ghana. If you have somebody in Ghana who is like a child or whatever you have over there, and you want to send money to that person, it has been a really roller coaster. It has been something that's been difficult. You will need a middleman. You will need a bureau de change person. Their rates are not always fair. But I'm going to show you in this video how to use OPay and send money to someone in Ghana. Now, you need to stick with me to the end of this video so you don't miss out and make a mistake, because so you don't lose your money. Now, it's very, very simple. OPay is one of the fastest growing banks in Africa, especially Nigeria, and they have solved that problem that a lot of people are facing. So after this video, you will not need a bureau de change, you will not need a money exchanger. You will send money from Nigeria to Ghana, and you're sending money from Ghana to Nigeria very, very easy. Okay, so those of you who are into whatever trading arbitrage, this is one way you can pay somebody in Ghana. All right, so stick with me to the end of this video, please. If you are this is your first time of watching this video, any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I really need that subscription from you, and I also need you to like this video, turn the notification bell, so when I drop interesting videos that make you money online, you'll be the first to know about it. And guys, like this video and leave a comment of what you want. Now stick with me as I go into this video. This is how you send money from Nigeria to Ghana.
All right, so this is literally how to do this. So come over to your OPay app, and once you are there, make sure you have money inside of it, and it's very, very simple. So I'm going to walk you through. You need to come scroll down. Okay, you see what is called remit. Okay, click on remit and make sure you're using the updated version. You can see Ghana cedis and naira. So put in the amount of naira you want to send. Let me put 5,000. I'll be getting 40 cedis 0.69. Add the recipient phone number. Okay, so I'll just pay my somebody in Ghana. I'll put the person's. So you choose what you want to use as your payment method, whether it's MTN mobile money or a telecell or any bank in Ghana directly to the bank. So I'm using telecell. So I'll put in the person's phone number here. Once I put in the person's phone number, the person's name will show. And if I want to put a remark, I just click on proceed. Okay, whatever I want to use, I'll put it as education. Okay, maybe put as education, and yeah, let me put as education. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to proceed. Now I'll put in my OPay password, and this is what the person, I'm sending 5,000, person receiving 40 cedis 69. Check on your exchanger's rate. You find that this is better and it's safe. You're sending money by yourself. Okay, so everybody needs this. I'll click on pay, I'll put in my password, and voila, it will be showing pending. But my brother and sisters, it has arrived. Okay, let me just go check on that transaction. You can see I've received T-Cash, that's telecell cash. Click on it. I've seen the person, I've received the amount of money right here. Okay, from my name from OPay. I've received it. Okay, you can see I've received it directly here, and I'll go. You'll be showing pending, but at the end of the day, it's already gone. So you can see I've received payment.